Hello everyone, I hope you're all having a beautiful day as always. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet but love me and my tips, do so now by clicking the red subscribe button right below this video so you don't miss any of my uploads and you equally get to watch my videos on time as well. So with that said, on this video I'll be sharing with you what you should take last thing before going to bed. This drink I'll be sharing with you will help you burn calories you consume during the day. So if you've consumed bad fats, a lot of sugar, carbs and the rest, this is just what will help you burn all those calories so they don't store up and cause belly fat or unnecessary fat around your body. So in order to make the drink that will help you burn all those calories you consume for the day, one of the best metabolism boosters and an ingredient that will help flush toxins from your system is apple cider vinegar. This is very good. It helps you equally detox toxins out of your system, helps to boost your metabolism so you digest whatever you eat during the day. So consuming a drink with apple cider vinegar as one of the ingredients before going to bed will help you burn all those calories you consume during the day by boosting your metabolism and equally helping you flush all the toxins out of your system. So I have tried so many brands of apple cider vinegar, but I love this brand, the Bragg's brand. And make sure when you're buying it, you get the one with the mother in it. This one is very healthy. This is the best apple cider vinegar with the mother. So if you are buying any other brand, make sure it is organic and it has the mother in it. This is a very healthy ingredient for weight loss and equally to cleanse and flush toxins out of your system. So this is the first ingredient and you need just 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to add with the other ingredients and drink before going to bed. So you just measure 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. So this is 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You just pour it in your cup. So I have ice blocks in here because I like drinking it chilled, so it feels fun and refreshing while drinking. So after putting in 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, you fill in water before you add in the last ingredient. So you just fill your glass with water, almost full. And the last ingredient you need to add is lime. So lime is a very powerful metabolism booster. It is stronger than any other citrus fruit. So limes are stronger than lemons, grapefruits, pineapples. This will help to boost your metabolism so you burn all those calories. So what you need is 1 lime. So you just squeeze in 1 lime into the water and apple cider vinegar. So this is the drink. You just mix all the ingredients. You can use your straw to mix the ingredients with. The drink is acidic, so I would recommend you drink with your straw so it doesn't impact on your teeth. So as easy as that, you just drink the whole glass at once. Voila, as easy as that, delicious, especially if you drink with ice blocks and your straw. It is so refreshing and cool. So I hope somebody struggling with weight find this video helpful. These are the drinks that have really helped me burn a lot of calories and lose weight as well. So thumbs up the video if you find it helpful and see you again on my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching and